Good morning. So today I woke up and my room is so messy and now I have to clean it. First of all, my room is ugly, but I'm still grateful that I have a roof over my head. So yeah, you're gonna watch me clean. So this is how my room is looking at this moment. It's so dirty. This is the before, and yeah, I gotta clean it. So they say when you're cleaning your room and you don't know where to start, always start at the bed because it will look 50% cleaner. I don't know. This is how my bed is looking right now, and I know there's this like weird white mark thingy, and I could just change the sheets, but no, we're not doing that. I mean, it looked better, it could be worse. I gotta work with what I have right now. Now let's do this bitch ass thing. So this is how everything's looking, and I just put all my perfumes there, or fragrance mist, and this one I don't know where to put this, so I just put it there, and I put my hats over there, my ukulele, put the blue box from here to there, and now don't mind those two things, or those things. So proud of myself because I cleaned my room, but not completely. But yeah, I'm tired. I'm not gonna do those things. And these, I need to throw these things away, and I need to wash those clothes, and those are just some shoes. Sweep. Oh. Anywho, look at what I got. I mean, I found bracelet. They're from 2018. I don't know. They're very old. I got this when I was younger. Or young. I gotta show you these things that I made though. These music notes symbolizes a career, relationship, fame, and family. These are my goals, you know, to remind me what my goal is. So I just put it here so I can see it every day. Also, I need to show you this, guys. The reason why this thing is still like this, and that is because my room is still not finished, and look at the walls. See, it's still not painted. So I think after this room is painted, my father's gonna put these things back, if you're wondering.
Mille pattes, jou, 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 jou. Mille pattes, af, kak, kus, nyam, nyam, nyam.